Hello everyone, welcome back to RCH Builders. Down here at the investment home, they have made a mess out here. It looks like they're replacing the drain lines. The city is down here, but it is a huge mud all over the road down here now. Anyways, let's see what we can get done today. The goal, hopefully, would be to at least get all of the walls up back there for the bathrooms and closets areas and the laundry room, and clean up all of this mess. I've got the dump trailer with me, and I need to empty it in the next couple days. So I want to go ahead and put as much trash in it as I can to make the trip worth it, because the trip to the landfill from my house is about an hour and a half round trip. So definitely always try and get as much trash as I can when I make a trip to make it worth my time. But we've got plenty here. Basically this whole pile, these old windows, busted up windows and stuff over here. So going to probably, I tried, because of all the mud, and anyways, I tried to back the trailer up near that window. I'll probably at least open it. I may have to remove the window just to throw the stuff out. We'll see how that goes, and then we'll try and just toss it out into the dump trailer. But I think before I start with that, I'm going to try to at least get a couple of these walls up. Also, because I got the air compressor. I do have the air compressor out there, but I've got the generator in the back of the dump trailer, and at least burn off some of the gas doing this work while in the meantime of waiting for it. When I was doing some measurements out here the other day, when I was here the last time, I think that I put this wall in the wrong spot, because it looks like my measurements on my little drawing I have come from hooked on the outside, basically the exterior of this 2x4 wall, not outside, but where, you know, where that sheathing hits up against it. So I think this wall should be this way, 3.5 inches, which is only 3.5. It wouldn't necessarily be an issue, but I already had this laundry room just the right size, so I may have to move that wall back this way, 3.5. When I lay out from that direction this way and get all that side taken care of, I'll know for sure if I'm going to have to move this. I may have to. Hopefully it would be as simple as cutting the couple, there's just a few nails up there, and then knocking it over. Of course, there's nails here too. That's the bad thing of doing it, nailing it really good, is that if you do have to move it, then all of that is a pain in the butt. But like I say, we'll see. It may be fine, and the laundry room might still fit. We'll just see how it goes. I'm going to start framing from that way, this way, and then determine and figure that out. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get my everything set up, clean the floor over there, at least sweep it up. I got a broom with me today, so sweep all that area, get that laid out and ready, and then get started framing up those walls over there. All right, so that's it's pretty much that whole room set up. I need to, of course, build this wall across here, but that's the entrance to the closet. Got that there. I will be changing or adjusting the windows later on. But as far as this video goes, this is going to be it. It's hot out here for sure. We had about a week and a half where it was a little bit cooler out, which was nice, but the heat is back. So my shirt is soaking wet all the way through to the bone. But I'm gonna head home, and at least we got all that trash there. That was a big thing. And then hopefully next time I can fully finish this area back here with that being the case. And then I've decided to leave this original wall I put in way back because when I adjusted for the fact that, like I said, it was hooking on to the walls, it's only supposed to move about 4 inches. I'm not going through this hassle just to move it for 4 inches. The bedroom is still bigger than the ones at my house. So I'm going to consider it to be just fine where it is. But so then we can finish building this. Then we can maybe see what we can do about bracing up the roof a little bit and getting this backside in the dry. So then it's not leaking down here anymore on the backside at least. I'll worry about doing across the hallway later. I'm going to do something a little different. I'm not going to put 2x6s going the way that the rest of them are. I'm going to do it differently than that, and support it, and probably put a attic access door in it as well. But anyways, that's for the next time. So hope you enjoyed watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you the next time.